So can you see these napkins?
Yes.
So what will H.E.M.A say about this? These are
my napkins. These are your napkins.
no. When H.E.M.A will say, these are my napkins. But when you will say, what will you say?
These are your
No,
napkins.
you cannot say these. You cannot say these because these napkins are with H.E.M.A. You cannot touch this. You have to show it from far away. So when you show something which are far away and many, you have to word this word. You have to use those. Those are your napkins.
Those
Okay.
are napkins.
Okay. Now, do you have more than one pencil with you? Do you
Yes.
have more than one pencil with you?
Yes.
Okay. So when Atma will show her pencils, Atma, do you have more than one pencil?
Yes.
Show me more than one pencil, beta.
Okay.
Okay. Atma is showing me more than one pencil. So Atma, when you are showing your pencils, which word will you use?
These are my pencils.
Very good. These are my pencils. Okay. But when I want to say, I will say those are your pencils. Okay. What will Shibani say when she wants to say about Atma's pencils? Shibani, what would you say?
Those.
Those are your pencils.
Those are your pencils.
Very good, Shibani. Nice. Okay, now Shibani, what do you have more than one with you right now? Do you have more than one color pencil?
Yes, color pencil. Miss, it is here. It is here.
Okay. So see, Shibani has a lot of color pencils. Wow. So when Shibani wants to show us the pencils, what will Shibani say? Come on, Shibani, show us more than one. You can take 3 and 4, it's fine. So what will Shibani say? Shibani, tell about your pencils.
These are my pencils.
These are my pencils. Shibani says, these are my pencils. Come on, Shibani, repeat it.
These are my color pencils.
Very good. And Atma, if you want to tell about Shibani's color pencils, what will you say?
Those are Shivani's color pencils.
Very good. Very nice. And what will Hema auntie say about Shivani's pencils? Shivani will say. Shivani will answer. Shivani, what will I say about your color pencils? Yes, Shivani. Shivani, I want to tell you something about your pencils. What will I say?
What Miss will say?
Those are
Shivani's.
my pencils.
No, those are
Those
Shivani's.
are Shivani's color pencils. Very good, very good. Now, Atma, show me your one eraser.
One
You have one
eraser.
eraser?
Yes.
Very good. So when Atma wants to show her eraser, which word will she use?
Which word she will use?
These are my eraser.
It is one only. It is one only. Atma, it is one only. This is my eraser.
This is my eraser.
Very good. This is my eraser. And when Shivani wants to say about your eraser, Shivani will use this word. Shivani, come on now, tell me what word is this?
It is my pencil.
No, I am talking about H.E.M.A'z eraser. If you want to say about H.E.M.A'z eraser, what will you say?
That is Atma's razor.
Very good. You will use that because it is one and it is far away. Okay. So that is H.E.M.A'z eraser. Okay. Now what do you want to show me? Only one thing. You want to show one pencil? Okay. Tell me about that.
This is my pencil.
Very good. This is my pencil. Atma, what will you say about Shivani's pencil? Atma,
Yes.
what will you say about Shivani's pencil? She has only one pencil.
Okay.
So what will you say? Which word will you use?
That is Shivani's pencil.
Very good. That is Shivani's pencil. Very nice. Good. So you understood this and that? When to use?
Yes.
You know when to use these and those?
Yes.
Good. Smart kids.